What's going on, my virtual home? How are you guys doing? So, today we are coming to you guys with another self development tool, and we are actually doing an unboxing, guys. We're doing an Amazon unboxing. Of course, I'm gonna put the link below. But, guys, I just want to ask you it's been about 10 days into the new year. What have you used your money on to go towards your own personal self development? I mean, it is very important. We spend money on rent, food, shoes, clothes. Guys, it's important for us to invest back in ourselves, okay? Because the return is going to be great. So, without further ado, guys, let's check out our self development tool that we have for you. Let's unbox it now. All right. So, all right. I'll let you guys in on it. It's a book. It is a book, okay? Stay tuned to see what book. And I also want you to read this book with us, okay? So that we can grow together. Pretty. Okay, so guys, this is a book that have sold over 10 million copies, guys. It is da 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 Atomic Habits by James Clear. Guys, we have Atomic Habits is a New York best seller, guys. Guess what? This book is about tiny changes that can actually lead to remarkable results. Okay, so we are so excited. It says an easy and proven way to build good habits and break the bad ones. We need it, okay? It says discover the secret to results that last. Packed with evidence-based self-improvement strategies, Atomic Habits will teach you how to design habits that work for you rather than against you. All right? So this is what we're up against, okay? So some recommendations or reviews. It says a supremely practical and useful book. James Clear distills the most fundamental information about habit formation so that you can accomplish more by focus on less. Okay. Um, the next review is actually, it says James Clear has spent years of honing the art and studying the science of habits. This engaging hands-on book is a guide you need to break bad routines and make good ones. All right. A special book that will change how you approach your day and live your life. I'm so excited about this book, guys. We're going to actually start this book after we finish the book that we're currently reading, which is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. If you haven't checked out our last video, we did talk about this book briefly, and we will come back and do a book review, okay? So, there you go. Now, Atomic Habits, guys, if you have not got this book, then I want you to use our link. Yes, use our link and actually purchase this book, guys. I think it would be a great tool to add to your self-development tool kit, guys. We're so excited about Atomic Habits by James Clear. It says it has already sold over 10 million copies, okay? Okay, let's just go ahead and do a spoiler and read the pamphlet. It says, no matter your goals, Atomic Habits offer a proven framework for getting 1% better every day. James Clear is one of the world's leading experts on habit formation, reveals practical strategies that will teach you exactly how to master the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. If you're having trouble changing your habits, the problem isn't you. The problem is your system. Bad habits repeat themselves, not because you don't want to change, but because you have the wrong system for change. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Oh, I love that. Okay. In Atomic Habits, you'll get a plan that can take you to new heights. Clear is known for his ability to distill complex topics into simple behaviors that can be readily applied to daily life and work. Here he draws on ideas from biology, psychology, neuroscience to create an easy to understand guide for making good habits inedible and bad habits impossible. Along the way, readers will be inspired and entertained with true stories from Olympic gold medalists, award winning artists, business leaders, life saving physicians, and star comedians who have used the science of small habits to vault to the top of their fields. Atomic Habits will reshape the way you think about progress and give you the tools and techniques you need to transform your habits. Whether you are an athlete looking to win a championship, a leader hoping to optimize an organization, or an individual who wishes to quit smoking, lose weight, reduce stress, and achieve success that lasts. So yes, guys, we are very, very excited to get into this next book, okay? Atomic Habits. Y'all go ahead and get it early. Like I said, the link will be in the description. Since I showed this book, Think and Grow Rich, this is the one that we're currently reading, and I'm going to put the link to both books in the description, guys. And I believe both of these books will be a great start to the first quarter of your year. If you have already read one or either the other of these books, let us know in the comments, guys. If you ordered the books, okay, through our links, and let us know so that we know that you're building this community with us, guys. And with that being said, man, let's hop into it. I think, like I said, these two books can transform the first quarter of your year. I know it's definitely going to help me transform, guys, because like I said, I have to be so mentally strong as I'm trying to cultivate my personal and spiritual environment. You know, like I want to get rid of all these negative, I really want to get rid of negative thoughts. There are people in my life that I think have expired. They have stayed long enough. They have tried to torment me long enough. They have discouraged me long enough. And guys, it's time to elevate. And sometimes elevating means leaving things behind, and that's okay. So, Think and Grow Rich and Atomic Habits. If you haven't ordered these two books, go ahead and order these two books. These are going to be the two books that we're going to be focusing on this first quarter of the year. Guys, if you have any book recommendations for us that we can jump into maybe in the next quarter of this year, let us know, and we will definitely explore those for our next book reviews. Once we finish these books, we are going to come back and talk about them. We're going to do a review about them and, just let you know how they've actually helped us personally. So keep that in mind, and you don't want to miss it. So read along, and I'm going to see you guys on the other side of your self-development. Now, hey, if you like this video, guys, like the video. So give us a like on the video so that we know to continue to bring content to you just like this. Okay, so if you want to talk about more books on My Virtual Home, you want more recommendations and reviews and self-development and things like that, like the video. That is an indication to us. That gives us a ding, 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 like, okay, let's do more of this. Okay, now also, if you want to be the very first to get content as soon as we drop it, you don't want to miss it, then there should be a bell notification button somewhere above that you can click. And when you click this button, as soon as we make a video, drop content here on this channel, you are going to get a notification, and you will be one of the very first to be able to catch us and catch the content that we have just uploaded. So that's a good thing. Now, some of you guys are thinking, hey, I like this channel, I like this I like this character, whatever have it, okay? And you're thinking, hey, I want to go ahead and become a part of the family. Guys, we would love to have you a part of our family, guys. How big that we're going to get here, we don't know. That's the truth. We don't know, because we do not want to limit our potential growth. But what we can say is that we are a great community, and you guys can join our community by subscribing to our channel. As simple as that. If you do subscribe, let us know in the comments that you have subscribed. And we'll be very, very happy to just love on you in the comments and welcome you to our strong and growing and thriving community, guys. With that being said, guys, again, I'm so excited about the first quarter of this year. And man, we're going to change our habits. We're going to think and grow rich. And I'm going to see you guys on the next episode.